Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just taking a look at VeChain here, and as we can see, over the past week or so, we have seen an incredible amount of volatility here. Obviously, VeChain looking like it was starting to show signs of life, and then lo and behold, out of nowhere, as if by magic, a massive black swan event comes into the market just as we were starting to look like we were heading for a nice bit of a recovery. And as we can see here, two big massive red candles come down. We basically smash out the lows of the range we've been holding for a good while here. Back tested as resistance for VeChain. We come down, we didn't actually close lower, did we? Look at this massive wick that we did see here for VeChain, showing quite a nice amount of strength on the daily here with a big wick in this area for the double bottom back test that we have seen, you know, forming a new level of support in and around an area looking something like that, which is interesting to see in our opinion, because, you know, everyone's so fearful right now, aren't they? But we do think, you know, these massive bullish divergences cannot be ignored on the daily time frame. You can see the price action coming lower. I mean, the RSI is making some massive bullish divergences right now here. You can see the price action to the downside is pretty exhausted right now. People are really losing momentum to the downside from what we can tell. Look at the MACD. The momentum to the downside is completely gone, isn't it? You can see back here just how big these peaks were. Massive capitulation volume, momentum to the downside. But you can see now we really don't have much momentum at all. The market very flat in comparison. These big bullish divergences on the daily. We're just coming down and confirming them even more by trying to push lower and making lower lows. I mean, on the hourly time frame, we can take another look at what's happening as well. Obviously, there's a lot of lines going on right here, but you just have to bear with me. You can obviously see we came down, we had our capitulation, back test of the previous range support as resistance. We roll over here, we get the overextension to the low, but it didn't last very long at all, did it really? We came back up into this area for that false breakout. Back tested this area again as support. Interesting to see. And then you can see over the past few days, we have actually been heading up in a bit of an uptrend for VeChain, higher highs and higher lows, getting back up, actually back up into that area of where we pulled our Fibonacci all the way back here. If I just scroll all the way back so you can see the Fibonacci, the previous Fibonacci for Bitcoin, for VeChain, sorry, from that high to low for the bear market. We can see I actually pulled it all the way back here, and we've come back up in and around that area now on the hourly time frame, which is interesting to see. We do think that probably, you know, VeChain does need to come back up and retest some of these levels up here, but it's showing that it has got resilience at these low levels, and people are, you know, the lower that the price does go, the more buyers are going to start to come into these areas and really sort the price action out. So I'd say realistically, you know, for VeChain right now, we're probably looking at a bit of a range, aren't we? Looking something like this, where we have got, you know, that swing low area, which was a bit overextended, and then the range high, obviously looking at like the previous range low. You got your low, your high. We come down, we have the overextension, but then we come back inside with the back test, and now looking like we're basically low volume, low volatility back in the middle of the range. We'd say, you know, targets coming back here to 2.2 cents to the upside, probably going to happen sooner rather than later to get at least another retest of that level before we go lower. Or if we do roll over again, we've got a decent amount of support in this area now, haven't we, at around 1.9 cents. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.